Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Atlas to earn reward points on dining purchases at restaurants. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into the Atlas online banking platform. That's the Atlas website, or you can choose to log into your Atlas account on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, just select the credit card accounts that you want to earn reward points on dining purchases at restaurants for. And once that's selected, you want to click on rewards, and then you can review the reward program details. And once that's all reviewed, just use your credit cards for qualifying dining purchases at restaurants, and that's going to earn reward points. Now, you can always review and redeem your reward points for such things like statement credits, gift cards, as well as other rewards that are available on Atlas. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Atlas to earn reward points on dining purchases at restaurants. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the